So one of the things that happens in life is we get so focused on so many things. You think about, we go back 2,000 years ago, we never had to focus on the amount of things that we did back then. Whereas now we've got things like TV, we've got social media, we've got friends, we've got family, we've got all of these things coming into our world that create a spread of focus. Now, what I find quite often is when clients come in to see me is that it's not that they don't know what they want, it's that they're not focusing on what they want. They're focusing on everything in their life and it becomes overwhelming. This is the same for when we work with kids, work with adults, business owners, people who want to achieve something in their life. This focus is so spread all over the place that they're actually not sure exactly what it is they need to do next. What we do in coaching is we allow the person to get into a highly focused state of mind, whether that's through hypnosis, timeline therapy, NLP, highly focused state of mind, which allows you to really create neurology, stay super focused on what you want. What that does for the person long term is that means when they're this laser focused on something that they want, the focus is all in one direction instead of being all over the place. So if you're finding your focus is going all over the place, one of the really cool ways of doing it, of getting really focused on what you want, is to actually use hypnosis as a tool. The difference between hypnosis and meditation, it's quite a similar set of brain waves. The difference between hypnosis and meditation is allowing you to get into a deep relaxed state of mind and letting whatever comes come. Whereas with hypnosis, we're allowing you to get to that same level of relaxation, except as a hypnotherapist, we're giving you suggestions to create neurology for you to have the life and the change that you want.